They say Ijele don't call channel, give the DSS. Tell them say why are they leaving gentle the Yahoo for Okigwe when they patrol? No be smart, you know. I beg I go play you the video, but you hear what Ijele talk for this video before we go come back. Come continue.
There is no way we should be here every day repeating the same nonsense. And my inbox here will be filled with people from Okigwe. Please, those of you from Okigwe, I'm not leading any troops. There is no services I'm leading in the southeast. Biko, please, there is no operation I'm leading. Stop calling me and be telling me this, that, and this. You people should gather yourselves and go and protest in Owerri. Those of you from Okigwe, it's obvious you people don't have the financial backing like the people from Osu. Now, you either live under Ifeanyi Eze Nwa Okpegbuo onye nwe ihe die aka Gentle, the Yahoo, the failed carpenter, the failed Okada man. Is either you people would live under him in perpetuity, or you ditch your fears. You see how you people abandoned your communities for him? From Umulolo to Akuo to all these other places there in Okigwe. Since you abandoned it for the past 6 years, it's either you people live it that way or you do something about it. All right? If you people cannot do something about it, you are too afraid to go and do even a protest in Owerri. You don't want to show your face. You are looking for who will come and do it for you. Oga, I am not from Okigwe senatorial zone. Apart from the days I used to pass through Okigwe or go around there to visit some of my friends. In fact, most of those friends we've lost contact. I don't know how many of my friends from Okigwe that I can still go to their place now. So, if you people want your place to remain that way, if you don't have men in Okigwe again, so be it. I can't be the only one shouting about Okigwe as if you people are paying me, or as if I'm married from Okigwe. You don't even get woman wey una dash me where I say I go because of her. They talk about Okigwe. I have no business in Okigwe. So if you people have decided to abandon your place, it's up to you. But if you will listen to me, organize yourselves, go and organize a serious protest in Owerri. How many times did you see Osu protest here in Abuja? Are you telling me you don't have Okigwe people here in Abuja? You people cannot organize your own protest? Abinami wants to come lead and for now. Only waste time. Nobody is coming to save you. Those of you praying, I'm not attacking your religion, but there is nothing prayer can do for you over what is happening in Okigwe. You people will decide whether you like this type of leaders you have in Okigwe, and if you will keep listening to them, or you will do the right thing, band yourselves together and chase this evil out of Okigwe. You people know Okigwe more than me. You people know Okigwe better than me. You people know what is going on in Okigwe. You people see Gentle and his boys. I can't be the only one coming here every day shouting about the DSS director in Imo State, which me and you know say him boys no dey do anything, and all these vigilante wey dem give God na gentle boys, true or false. So na me good to dey come dey face all these people on una behalf, for una go sit down for una hand. Unu dey waste time unu. If you people think the way I carry this also, there are so many reasons I carry also on for head, of which there is no incentive for me to do the same for Okigwe. You are telling me that the full Okigwe, you don't have people. Na this mpama, Ifeanyi Eze na enwe onye ga-ejide nwe agbajie ya na be unu. N'unu niile ga na-anọ na-agafe onye a. Na-agafe ya n'afọ ebe ọ na-aga. You know his farm? His maternal home people. The land they stole from people. This same thing they wanted to do to more Parome people in Umunoha. Na-egekwanụ ntị, ifuru ndị Umunoha, unu nwere lock na ọbụghọ gentle. Una get lock. Say, I pencil and co, come tell on and say, I can't sign over the land. Gentle be say he invited all of them, buy all of them. So, if una dey talk, you know say, I pencil even dey kind, pass gentle. He's not a good person, no. But at least he compared to what? Compared to what? I pencil and B44, them be better people pass gentle. Because gentle own be say he buy every single male wey dey that family, so nobody go come ask am. And you are telling me we have vigilante under the DSS in Imo State, the same land for which he buy a full family. Let me block one also. For which he buy a full family, kindred, buy all the male wey dey there, including one of his commanders away from that place, including one of his commanders from the community, from the family, because he no want tomorrow make person come dey challenge her. That place now, in dey do palm plantation. Are you telling me you people are not passing that farm? Inewe onye ọkada, failed ọkada man, failed carpenter, na-elu na arịrị. Ọ bụrụ mụ agabi iluru na ọgụ na adịbekwe serious. If una dey hope say me, I go leave wetin I dey do, they come Okigwe, come sit down, they pursue gentle up and down, na lie. Na lie. DSS director get in budget, governor get in security vote, una get local government chairwoman, where I don't hear many kepu and all of una dey pretend I say una never hear her about am and all these gentle boys. Una dey there, they carry criminals, put them inside security, say dem be security. The same thing wey dey happen for Asia. Oh. The same thing una carry ESN, give the gun, send dem be security. Now they don envelope una. Shey na for where the governor go dey know who be who. Eh? Na for where the governor go know when he could do where. Let me tell you the governor's program. He is pretty much the campaign manager for President Tinubu, not just regionally, nationally. So he will be needing his attention here in Abuja more than ever. So if you dey hope say in dey see you, you dey waste your time. If you dey wait say in dey see you, you dey waste your time. Until this election finish, The governor no get your time. And by the time the election they finish, his own administration go dey finish. Whether you like am or not, once your administration finish, he no go follow you dey that Owerri. He must dey this Abuja. Why? Time stops for no one. He has his own program. So now, I'm giving you the cocoa, the reality. You are stuck. If you are hoping that there will be any miracle that will happen, you are wasting your fucking time. You see all these ones where they pack gun give for a place, na them be the problem wey una get there of each una know. Many of una they text me. Many of una they text me, how you think I know wetin dey sup for there. Imagine if Anyeze, Gentle, then stop government agricultural ministry where they that side, but he own private hybrid palm plantation, they effective, and we get DSS director for Imo State. If I talk now, they go say, oh, the director now, when me and Kwataram for Osu, he say, hey, now somebody, which somebody needs to tell me that you're not doing your job. You say you have boys there. You have those ones in R&D Zog side. And all these things. You have all those people. Yet, these boys are moving freely. People where they give gun as security, they first go swear oath to Gentle. On a say, on a one better tomorrow. I want to see how that better tomorrow will take come. Kamfu otu echi di mma ha ga-esi abịa. Unu no na confuse ari onwe unu. There is no hope for Okigwe. There needs to be a complete overhaul of the security architecture of the whole Okigwe. Yes. There should be a re-verification of every single person where they give gun. Any day they are serious, you will know that they are serious about solving insecurity in Okigwe, whereby they will bring every single person will be security, line them up and separate all those criminals from the good ones. Are you understanding me now? Are you getting me? This is the only way you will know that there is hope. Okay? This is the only way you will know there is hope. Let me block one also. Anybody will comment nonsense here, I'm blocking your ass immediately. No go think say this one where they happen for us just happen out of the blue. It's a bloody lie. It took money. It took calls. No be waiting then the day far. They type. Okay? No be waiting then the day far. They type. No be waiting, you go there, they wish away. It took work. It took work. No be all this nonsense. Imagine people who not give in charge of security. Waiting be in them. Even one of them don't go visiting Nnamdi Kanu. The person that DSS director of Imo State is working with, I think he's a part of the Obiletiti security. What's that his name? He calls himself Ebekwodike. Somebody that went and saw Nnamdi Kanu And he's telling you that it's not Nnamdi Kanu that is bringing insecurity. And such a person is the person a whole DSS director is working with. I have his voice note there now. I have his voice note to me. In fact, if he sends me voice note, I don't even take it as anything. His message is there. His message is there. Even they threaten one guy, Simeko Force PA. Even they threaten him. Now those kind of people, when I say now they want bring you security, if for side do now, unu get me a bush. Unu get me a bush. If for your job unu ne etre neba, unu akoga consume. Now with gentle there, because you can't tell me you people don't know how he moves around there. Even the new camp they open now. They opened a new camp. A place you say you have security, but they are opening new camps there. They are still carjacking trucks. Eh? Eh? Stealing goods. They will hijack a food truck, take it into the bush, steal everything there. They'll be giving them to their women to be said. They even have women. They even have women in their midst. They even have women. Ikenga is doing a series on those things now. He's doing it. And people pretend not to be seeing it. Why do we have all those soldiers there for? What are the DSS doing there? Who are the security under them? If you are a whole DSS and you can't even verify the people you are giving guns, then what makes you state service? What then makes you state service? Do you know how people respect the DSS? Do you know the prestige the organization has? Now, nothing is treated with respect because any fool can be given any position. Merit or no merit. They just calculate, oh, how long has he stayed? Oh, rank, carry you go there. And the governor will just be wasting money. Throwing away money. You are telling me that they don't know the people working on those farms for Gentle? How many farms does he have over there? Eh? How many farms does he have over there? And you are telling me, with all this nonsense you people pulled, and the part, you think you are bringing shame to the Nigerian government? Oh, Gentle, they cry there. Oh, they cry there. It is a decree. Now to sow this cord in the heart of the people, for you to believe all these lies, Gentle is telling that they are working for government. Which government? So the governor is now wasting all those millions is wasting on security, while also paying Gentle. Is that how you reason? Is that how you reason? They think you are a fool. It's compromise. That's the right word. They've compromised every single thing there. And if you hear the type of rubbish coming from their mouths, you will know that their brains are the odor that will be oozing from their brain will show you that this rotten, their rotten brain. One was telling me in general, we have decided to settle our issues. You settle what? Settle bukwe dear. You think you own yourself? You think you own yourself? And you see what one fool is typing here. Why don't you go and join them in the north over there? If the northerners are ruled by evil and wicked rulers, of which that's what most of their elites are, in the north you have one of the kindest group of people you will find anywhere in West Africa, but they are ruled by one of the most evil elites. That's why you see them pack money in Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi, all the time. That people will be suffering, mining resources, using religion to food their people. If that is what will go to the north, fucking go to the north, you son of a useless prostitute. Idiot. Go there and join them. If you are in our land and join these evil people, we will kill you. Are you hearing me? You will die. If they are supporting evil there, go there, join them, and be supporting that evil over there. Iburiaru our side, I will get more pay. If them burn you well, go also you talk and make we see. If they burn your useless father well, go to also you talk and let us see. Go to that place now. Foolish set of people. You didn't notice how peace is gradually returning in Adigbo because these people have been denied access to that mother valley. Imagine if the people in Okigwe will do their own. Imagine if the people in Okigwe will do their own. Imagine if this is extended to Asia. Imagine if in Java and in Bitoli LGAs are cleared too. Imagine the peace. Oh, it looked like a distant dream before for peace to return in Adigbo. Have you seen just how denying them a base in that Osu has brought relative calm? This calmness you are seeing at Lille, some places in Iseke, most places not even some, because all these places are just a few kindreds they are controlling, of which if we move forward again, okay, see what somebody is typing, just coming back from Lille is so sweet. I saw Lille people now sharing 300 seedlings of yams for their people to start their farming. Revitalization, this is how it happens. It's not rocket science. You face these people head on and they will run. Every day we'll be doing nothing. The DSS in Imo State is busy arresting innocent students. A 21-year-old boy, you have the time to send him to prison because of a petition written by a Sierra Leonean. A time and energy you would have spent on bringing security. Imagine where we had a functional DSS. Very stupid set of people. This one say it's not about America. Your America never blink. Were you also right on that one? You where they talk rubbish. You America, he never say 2 weeks again. Now he's telling you, oh, Pakistani government that is not elected will now be telling Trump what to do. You see how you people don't have sense. Hey, this is what I want, because you are agreeing with me on this one now. This is probably the way you were supporting Nnamdi Kanu at first too. You didn't see this one on your leg. Now this one where they far you go see bunch of uneducated people just repeating all the nonsense you're hearing on your mainstream media. Foolish set of people. He never run. Now they will tell